The Ajazz Ak820 and Ak820Pro series presents itself as a compelling entry in the mechanical keyboard market, designed with a clear focus on versatility and performance. This series immediately signals its intent to cater to a broad spectrum of users, from dedicated gamers to those seeking a highly adaptable and personalized input device. At its core, this is a mechanical keyboard built for gaming, implying a design that prioritizes responsiveness, tactile feedback, and durability, qualities highly valued in high-stakes competitive environments. What truly sets it apart is its comprehensive connectivity suite, offering Bluetooth 5.1 for modern, stable wireless pairing, alongside general wireless and traditional wired options. This multi-mode capability ensures seamless integration into various setups, providing the freedom of wireless operation or the unwavering reliability of a wired connection as needed. Furthermore, its designation as a custom keyboard suggests an inherent flexibility, allowing users to tailor aspects of its functionality or aesthetic to suit individual preferences and workflows. In practical use, the flexible connectivity makes the Ajazz Ak820 series suitable for diverse scenarios. A wired connection offers minimal latency for critical gaming sessions or professional tasks where absolute precision is paramount. The Bluetooth 5.1 and wireless modes provide convenience and a clutter-free desk environment for general productivity, media consumption, or connecting to multiple devices. The customizability implied by its title means it can adapt to evolving user needs, whether through switch preferences or programmable functions, making it a versatile tool for both work and play. A distinctive element contributing to its reliability and usability is the inclusion of a heat exchange sealed button. This innovative design suggests a focus on enhancing the longevity and consistent performance of key mechanisms. The sealed aspect implies protection against dust and debris, contributing to long-term durability, while heat exchange points towards a system for maintaining optimal operating temperatures, ensuring stable and reliable button actuation even under prolonged use. This attention to detail in key engineering underscores a commitment to a consistent and dependable user experience. Ultimately, the Ajazz Ak820 and Ak820Pro series emerges as a robust and adaptable mechanical keyboard. Its blend of gaming-centric features, comprehensive multi-mode connectivity, and customizability, coupled with the unique heat exchange sealed button, positions it as a thoughtfully engineered peripheral designed to deliver a reliable and personalized experience across a wide range of applications.